Greetings, warm welcome to the next session. In this section, we are going to see about the important decision making tools, all about the SPSS. Before getting to the SPSS, we should aware about uh, what kind of things we are entering and what is the nature and how it is being characterized and how we have to treat. So that's the base which we are going to discuss in this particular video series. And with this, what's come to your mind? Yeah, this is all about different varieties of data and how we have to treat it. Some data may be in the form of text, some may be in the form of categories, some may be in terms of which may be used as an unique number like bank, customer ID, and all. What to be done with this data and how to categorize the data and how to upload those data in the SPSS to get the optimum result. Yes, this is very very important. Yes, it's all about these are all the different sources of information, and those information are to be framed in such a way that should give a base as data. Yes, what are the different types of data are available and how to be specified in the SPS is very very important thing. Actually we are going to see how we are going to use these data and how we are going to nominate this data, and a different scale of measurement are going to see in this particular video session. Yeah, this is very very important thing in the analytics, and also we call it as a measurement of scales, because we have to tell the SPSS how to treat a particular data. Say for example, if it is a name, with the name we could not do any major and informed decisions, but this is, say for example, gender is different, marks obtained by the student is different. So marks is in terms of numbers, and register number is the unique ID which we are given to the students. So these are all important. These are all the data which are important. More important is marks obtained by the students, and also we need which gender performed well to make so the base can be created. So mark is a number, what kind of data it is, and how to treat this data, all these things to be specific over here, that we call it as an measurement scales. And which is very very important for the selection of visualization method as well as to make our decision correctly. Normally, we can classify the data into two aspects. One is categorical data, the other one is the numerical data. As I said, uh, gender, like male or female, is a category. Numerical marks obtained by the students is a numerical data. Again, these data can be classified into other four types. One is nominal data, which is also in categorical data. Ordinal data, which is also in categorical data. These two data talks about the which helps to categorize our data to make our decision about a particular group or a particular performer or particular level. That there we will use the categorical data. And the numerical data, they we have two types. One is interval and the ratio. We will see one by one. Yes. Like, what is your favorite color guide? Yeah, purple is there, red is there, yellow is there, green, orange. Actually, this yellow, red, green, this single information will not give any important information for us to make decision. But what if I'm going to design my package, if I'm going to give my ad, obviously who is my customer, what is their favorite color, I must know, because that pleasing color can be included in my things. So that's why, and also purple, red, yellow, green, orange, it doesn't have any difference, no. At the same time, purple, all the members who prefer purple can be category. There is no any. rank could not be found, any differences could not be found. Red is a color, yellow is a color, green is a color, it's and all nature, that's it. So this we call it as a categorical data, and it represents the characteristics and don't have any mathematical meaning. The difference between the red and orange we could not find, only we can feel it. So there is no mathematical difference in this. At the same time, we sometimes we can denote purple. All the people who likes purple can be represented as one. If I type one, it takes it for purple. If I assign the number two to the red, obviously. So only here the number can be used to differentiate or to identify a particular color, that's it. So it can represent in the numerical value, but it is actually not a numerical number. Say for example, the average of all these color will not give any meaning at all. Say for example, if I am giving one for purple, two for red, average of these two will not give any differences. We could not make any decisions. Like language, gender, if I'm giving one for male and two for female, it doesn't have any differences. There is no mathematical meaning at all. Those type of data we call it as a categorical data. In this categorical data, again we can classify into two types. One is nominal data, the other one is the ordinal data. In the nominal data, we can classify it as an like there will not any order at all. Say for example, we could not say female is number two, male is number one, or male is number two, female is number one. We could not have any order at all. Then what languages do you speak? English, French, German, Spanish. So there is no here there is no order at all. All are equal. Red, yellow, purple, all are equal. This we call it as a nominal data, and which can also represent in discrete units. How many male, how many female, how many people speaks English, how many people speak French. That count we can take it. So either 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for this number of people speaks English. This number of people speak. There is no mathematical meaning. We are using the numbers only to label the data. And the gender is also how females react in the situation, how male feels in the situation. Most of our customers are German speakers or French speakers, who it is. Likewise, we can categorize, we can label we can categorize, that's it. We could not have any order at all. English is number one, French is number two, there is no order. Okay, no quantitative value. As I said, it doesn't have any mathematical value. Obviously, next one is this is also in categorical data, like elementary, high school, undergraduate, graduate. But it has some order. One who completes elementary will go for higher secondary and will go for undergraduation and go for graduation. So it has some order, no? Likewise, cadre, like operation level, supervisor level, managerial level, and GM level and management. So this has some order, no? This we call it as an ordinal data. It is also a categorical data which helps to categorize the data, and it doesn't have any mathematical value, but it has some orders. That's why we call it as an ordinal data. And also which helps to categorize data, at the same time we can order it. Okay, and also order in same like nominal, but order matters. Okay, once he completes the elementary, will go obviously elementary. Say for example, if I'm taking up the graduations of my customers, elementary, how elementary level those who completed elementary level, how they react for this. what they feel for this. Higher secondary, there, I'll say for example, any defaulters is there in among my customers. What is there? I can correlate defaulters with the education level. Sometimes those who are well educated may not repay the loan. All these matters. So it has some order. At the same, with this we can make some meaningful decision. At the same time, difference between the values are not really known. Yeah, we actually, this also a type of category which may or may not have some differences in the output that can be checked. So here also only these ordinal data is also used to categorize the customer. Say for example, how many people are satisfied with this data, how many members are not satisfied with this. Likewise we can make things. Yes, so happiness satisfaction can also measure with the ordinal data. Today we see about the data. What are the different types of data? In that we saw only about the nominal categorical data. In the categorical data there are two types. One is nominal data, the other one is the ordinal data. Nominal data helps us to categorize the data. There is no order. In the ordinal data, which helps to categorize, at the same time some order will be followed. We will see the other types of data in the other lecture series. Thank you. Bye bye.